In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. It's pretty easy. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Now, if you would like to always receive Instagram notifications, even in the middle of the night, open up the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, and now tap on the three lines on top right. Now under the how you use Instagram section, tap on notifications, and second setting down is sleep mode. Tap on that, and simply toggle sleep mode off. This will make sure you always get Instagram notifications. However, this setting won't work if you put your iPhone in Do Not Disturb mode when you sleep. Now, to allow Instagram notifications even when your iPhone is set to Do Not Disturb, head into the Settings app, tap on Focus, tap on Do Not Disturb, and under the section Allow Notifications, tap on Apps. Make sure Allow Notifications From is checked at the very top. Now tap on the plus icon to add apps. Choose Instagram and hit done in the top right corner, and now you're guaranteed to receive Instagram notifications 24/7. I hope this helps, and if it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out.